Welcome to As E Dey Hot, the Ogbonge politics discussion show on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia Max UHF 57, and Wazobia TV on top channel 98 for GoTV. Every weekday from 10 to 11, don't turn Christmas, sake of say, all of the action to the way they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry them, drop them as the thing they come out, the plenty fire. Chook mouth inside, give you license to talk your mind inside, so that those who they lead this country go take the necessary steps to move our country forward. My name na Ezo Gochokwote, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as they concerning political matter as E Dey Hot.
Yes, now another Wednesday edition of that Ogbonge program we don't carry coming our way. They don't state that to now as E Dey Hot and that political program with the information with different political activities. Today's matter, as usual, we will talk with it, they very hot, so that at least as they hot us for body, that will also feed do it, and will also feed join for the contribution. We will open our phone lines for those of now where they watch us, so that at least they will feel contribute, so that as they always they talk, we will collectively join hands together, speak so that because people they at the helm of our affair go feel hear us and know the right steps where they go take. My name is change. My name is Unkubi, and this now as the hot.
We don't talk about Niger security inside this our Ogbonge country. And plenty people don't talk, say we need to do more. Not be just those when the government or our security people, but Nigerians also to ensure, say, our society, they're very, very safe and secure. He gets one Ogbonge information when we say the Inspector General of Police, Oga Solomon Arase, over the weekend drop. He been talking, say, Fulani headsmen, plenty of them, that is those people when we say, now they carry Malu, they work out for different parts of the south and southwest and southeast of Nigeria. Say many of them, they come from Mali, Chad, Cameroon, and even Niger Republic. Plenty people don't go ask, say, why he be say person go wake up for his own country, carry Malu, just waka enter inside Nigeria. They waka anyhow, say Malu they chop. Come they even they disturb Nigerians when they inside Nigeria. People come they ask, say, Shena say grass don't finish for inside Cameroon. It don't finish for Mali, Chad, and Niger Republic. Say Nigerians need to do more. Plenty people come and tell Nigerian government, say, make them do more about protecting our borders. And government don't talk, say, now one way, when they go use ensure, say, even Boko Haram, Jaguda people, Fulani headsmen, and some kind of insecurity problem when they face for our country, say we go fit stem, I go speak English, stem the tide. But it gets another important one when we say happen for inside this Lagos. When come make plenty Nigerians, they talk, say, are we safe? I go break them down. 40 feet container, 40 feet. And they talk, say, 2 vehicles, then conceal them inside this container. And inside these 2 vehicles, our eagle-eyed Nigerian customs people, when they for Tinkan Island, they see weapons inside. Weapons, now they see inside. And from the small investigation when they don't carry out, they talk, say, these weapons, they come all the way from the United States of America, and they think they enter inside Obodo, Nigeria. We can they ask, say, if to the import weapon, no be toothpick, or a handkerchief, when we say, you go talk, say, one businessman, they import them. Who be the people when they do this particular business? What our government must do to use ensure, say, some kind big men, when they spend big money to bring in weapon, enter inside this country, they no go they see them. Some kind bad people, when they expect the delivery of this weapon, we go fit catch them for their badness and ensure, say, our country, they safe. We go through our phone lines open, make you contribute for inside this matter, make you talk and do anything be. Give advice to our government people, because it be like, say, hey, they need that advice, where, so that we go ensure, say, our country, they secure. As E Dey Hot.
Yeah, Chico, the issue of loose borders, that is leaving our borders so vulnerable for any kind of person to enter, to come carry out badness, or to just feel say, then one stroll enter Nigeria. If Nigeria, it don't become a commercial place where person will just say he wants stroll in, stroll out. It don't really call for much concern, because over time, since we don't get this issue of insecurity, we don't clamor for at least make them strengthen the borders, make them do it, make them ensure say the whole borders, because the borders we get for Nigeria, plenty. Make them ensure say at least the borders wey we get across the country, make them do it, make them straighten am, so that at least anybody wey dey come in, we go know say this person dey come in sincerely. He dey come in for a purpose. He get one particular major thing wey he dey come in for. We go also investigate am, so that at least people wey go come in, we go know say these people dey come in for a purpose. That no as we go take also monitor them, put our eye on them, so that once they come in, they no go fit carry out any burden. But the moment we say we dey leave our border so porous for anybody to just even fly, say enter come, say yes, make a con shit, do anything, come out from the country. These are things we need to we need to check, so that at least we go feel say okay within ourselves, so we don't feel protect ourselves. And even if something come play, say something happen, issues of insecurity, we go feel say yes, so we go restrict them just to our country alone. It's okay, see, make we really investigate this, know who and who for our country where they behind this thing, rather than person go just enter, carry out badness, come out again. So the issue of porous borders now something we don't do for long, and then we don't clamor for them, and I believe this is the time don't reach for us, for our leaders to do it, and to address this matter for once, so that at least the lives of Nigerians will feel say guarantee our lives. Say yes, it is safe.
It is very important. Make we point out say for Nigeria, it be like say when we want address issues, we know they address the fundamental or the basic issues. Maybe because of say me I get military background, I make me they come from this particular angle now. Now, first and foremost, if we talk say we get porous.
What do you mean by fundamental? I don't understand.
You don't go understand now because
no.
You don't get military background.
Why you talk this way? You talk now.
Thank you very much. Now, if you want address, take for example now, if you're hungry, you understand. It's not about whether you don't wash your hand or whether you don't lick lips already. I know if I use hunger do example, you begin the lick lips. Must you show that you are really the example in the example? I say if you're hungry, you begin the lick lips. Must you show that you are the example in the example?
Camera capture me the lick lips.
But I see you the lick lips. So maybe are you there yet?
That one a fallacious.
Why you gonna lick lips?
You know if you just talk, as long as Nigerians don't see me the lick lips. Why you go just from nowhere, carry down your heavy like where they carry?
Who could be? Are you a man of integrity?
Yes, I am a
Thank
man
you very
of
much.
integrity.
Do you speak the truth on top of us today?
I've always been speaking the truth.
Who could be? Did you lick your lips or not when I talk about hunger?
I did not lick any lip.
You don't deny. You don't deny.
I did not lick any lip.
Then catch your hand inside pot of soup. You dey claim say no be hand inside.
These are my hands.
You say wetin?
These are my hands.
Which your hands?
No, why you say I'm catch?
You say I use soup pot do example. You don't already take am serious.
No. You thought say you catch my hand. See the hand.
It's an analogy.
I don't want to know. Do you see? As long as my hands are still attached to me, are still very intact, where the hand will see for the pot of soup?
You will soon expose yourself. Okay, make we continue. Now, if you want chop food, you cannot fight it. You must lick your lips. You can even your lips won't even they lick itself. You they try all yourself. You cannot fight. If you dey hungry, not be about whether you don't wash hand. Now about whether the food when go satisfy that particular hunger, whether the thing they available in the first place. Now, if we talk say our borders they porous. Not be to just they talk say our borders they porous. Because we get people when we say now their work to ensure say our borders they secure. Every country gets defined borders because you get where Nigeria.
But in a place where the people were supposed to carry out the responsibility of ensuring say these borders they strengthened, they secured, they no do am.
Thank you very much.
What you go describe am as?
Thank you very much.
You know they porous with that.
Thank you very much.
It is porous because they just leave them like that. Anybody feel enter, feel come out. It is porous.
Now what we they talk about be that say our borders they open. What we they do to use ensure say the border when they open in the first place. Not be to come, they talk say our borders, the border when they open in the first place. We don't get people when we say that our responsibility to ensure say the borders they secure. If we get those people, what in those people they do since? What in those people they do now? If those people know they do what they're supposed to do, what are we supposed to ensure? I'm answering this question from the military perspective. I know why you don't go feel understand. You understand? You don't go feel understand. Because where the angle where they come from, it's very, very big. Now why I don't even want to call the weapon when they see inside the container. Because you're only used to catapult. You're only used to catapult and stone.
Wait. It said
you are used to catapult and stone.
No, what you meant talk before that one?
I say I don't want to mention the weapons then when we see because you'll be confused. You are only used to catapult and stone, hunting bird. You understand? The answer is
please. Even the number of please, I don't even feel count them again. That is to tell you how far and how serious I am about this thing. What is the meaning of all this?
It's just a statement.
What is the statement?
I just dey talk now.
Mention one arm if I know if it break and down, analyze that for you. Must you always make me look like one kind I don't want to use the word rustic individual or one kind
but at least I call catapult. I say you sabi catapult. Catapult.
Do I look rustic to you?
Okay, bow and arrow.
Do I look primitive to you?
Bow and arrow.
All these are locally made. This not I'm not attached to them.
But you don't get military background.
Talk about real arms. We go fit define am.
Which one be real arm? You don't see Hercules before. You don't see Hercules. You know the one that they call Hercules.
Which
one be Hercules? Which one be Hercules?
As if you are related to me.
Which one be Hercules?
Hercules now. Where do that movie Hercules?
Which movie Hercules?
Movie Hercules.
Hey, you see yourself.
Hercules is a myth.
It's a myth.
Now God.
He not be myth. He's a fish.
Demigod.
He's a fish. Hercules is a Hercules. And they talk of bomber. Aeroplane bomber.
Where they get the name from in the first place? Not be say mythical name.
Not be the military warfare.
Not be the Greek.
Not be the military. Not be the military.
Ancient Greek.
Don't confuse me. Make I dey go this talk when I talk. Don't confuse me.
No, you can't mention.
They talk about porous border. You don't begin to talk.
But don't you ever attach me to local weapons? I mean, I'm good enough to use handle well-made, sophisticated weapons.
Who could be wait? How you won't carry them?
When the time reach, you go
how you fit carry yourself when you dey carry this thing. We dey talk say border dey porous. Make we do things when we go do. You begin to talk. You dey go far. You want what do you want? How can you handle it? Show me the handle you want use carry. No, show me the handle you want use carry.
I handle your situation here now.
Which situation?
Chuku, the Amenta is not the beg money this platform. So make I not embarrass you.
When your neighbors from Ikorodu, Ogun State side, they call the beg. Say make I take a easy.
Try tell me say our neighbors, people they call us from Ikorodu, then be waiting.
I say your neighbors for Ikorodu side.
You are referring as long as I don't mention
your neighbors for Ikorodu when they near Ogun State.
You don't collect everybody come from Ikorodu. What are you trying to
Let's address this particular topic that we have brought down.
You know, so you go address that before you come to pick on me.
Thank you very much. Now, if we talk about say our borders, they're very, very porous. We get major problems. Number one, person go just wake up, just cross, enter inside Nigeria.
Strolling.
Not be say person no fit enter inside Nigeria, and we be part of ECOWAS. We be even one of the Ogbonge members.
But that is still not a criteria for anybody to just enter anyhow.
Exactly, very much. Now, what we go ensure na say anybody when they enter Nigeria, who be this person when they enter Nigeria? What did this person when they enter Nigeria can't do? How long this person wey enter Nigeria go stay? We go fit guarantee say this person wey go enter Nigeria no be wahala im go come cause, or the person go add good things to this country, or no be things wey we say go dey move the country backward. That's a major question that we need to answer.
Before you go answer that major question, we go answer that major question, we get Oga Chukwudi. Oga Chukwudi all the way from Owerri. Good morning.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
How are they?
We dey fine.
All right. First of all, make we thank Custom for this wonderful job where they don't do by intercepting that truckload of
arms.
Yes, but a lot need to be done in terms of beefing up security along some other borders. There are, like you said, over 1,001 porous borders across Nigeria. Nigeria is like one place you just like you could be rightly said. You just make I just go Nigeria. You just work out, make you enter one neighbor house. Just work out, go buy something, come back. Our borders need to be seriously manned, especially this time we are in a serious security problems. We need to even the lands, the waterways, and all. They need to be manned by serious security men, so that let us curtail how these arms manage to enter our country. If we so do that, I don't think that this is come from the airport, because we have serious-minded security men at the airport. They can't enter from there, but I think it's only on the roadside. These porous borders that those things are often used. So I think they should beef up security more on those borders.
Yes,
Thank you.
Oga Chukwudi, thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don't already talk and say over 1,001 porous borders when we get. We suppose identify all of them. Come ensure say we plug them. Maybe we know they enter Nigeria anyhow. We get Oga Onimisi. They call us all the way from Abuja. Oga Onimisi, good morning and welcome to Asi the Hot.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Yeah, good morning, Oga Onimisi.
I bet you go raise your voice, make the full Nigeria hear you well.
I greet you. You dey hear me?
Yeah, we dey hear you now. Right on.
What thing I want to say, the people in charge of this border of a team should be held responsible. If they are not doing their job as it's up to, then the government should do the needful. The border should not be so porous to the extent that anything can fly out and anything can fly in like Maiduguri Monday Market. No, it shouldn't be like that. The border should, before you can and irrespective of your status, you should have, positive reason and should make sure your aim and objective of coming to the country is crime-free. That is number one. Then number two is left for me and you. If you notice any unfamiliar places in your environment, in your working place, call the attention of security. This person should be questioned. I've not seen him. I've been here for a very long time, for some years. I don't know him. He should be questioned. Forget whether it's of the same religion with you or not of the same religion with you. For security's sake, if you notice any unfamiliar places in your environment, call the attention of the security. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Two important areas where you identify. Now, number one, our security agencies must do everything what they're supposed to use ensure, say, our borders, we know, say, okay, people they enter, we know what they want to do, and we go put eye for those kind of people them. And number two, we ourselves supposed to be very, very security conscious. That is to say, as we live for our community, make we know ourselves. If we see some kind of kurukere movement, make we know those when we say we go report to. But from this thing, when you don't talk, it don't open two things. Now, if we get over 1,100 borders when they're very, very porous, it don't they very, very guaranteed, say, somehow. No be just say, our security agencies know they do their work. If it be say we no get the amount of people when go fit do am. So what we supposed to do now to get people when we say they qualified to use ensure say at least these are our borders. People no go just they stroll enter inside Nigeria anyhow. Then number two, if we talk about say okay, people they security conscious, anything when they see make them report to who? Take for example the Lagos example. We get the 3 special number when we say if you call them anytime, security people then go answer. Although we don't complain sometimes, say some of the number if we call them, wait to go in the thing don't go even connect at all.
Yes.
But some other people don't talk, say, okay, they don't call this number and they don't see response. So we suppose go back, like I talk, and they use military tactics, they answer this question.
Chukudi, hold on. Thank you very much for that military tactics where you don't just...
But I never answered that.
Just hold on to that military tactics where you mentioned, make you know past that level. Right about time, you could just ensure so we'll go further on this matter, rather than come they bring your own personal...
But you go cut. Talk, come up from my mouth.
No. You talk to me to identify issue.
No be the issue
why do you take your own personal military background?
Because
I'm not interested. Nigerians are not interested in your military background. Let us identify this issue. Please. There are other areas, other angles we could look at. Rather than you keep raising your shoulder on top of shoulder where you no get. They claim one country where you no be. Just respect yourself, please. Okay, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Shokode.
Good morning.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Nkobi.
Yes.
No, well done.
We greet you too.
Hello.
Yeah, continue.
Okay. I beg you. No be say they say this our Nigerian border. It should be for us. No be say they say because I don't witness and well. And at that way we talk about corruption. Make I use small Cameroon for example where I do also visit. Even you will be citizen of Cameroon. You're not free to walk in to Cameroon anyhow you like. You will be citizen or when you be outside down. B and Jada must deal with you. Know exactly if you're truly Cameroon citizen. To talk about. The other time I was traveling with a public transport. We find somebody who is a Cameroonian inside the vehicle at the border here in Nigeria. Yes. No be border here in Nigeria. Okay. Maybe he's moving to Lagos, something like that.
Okay.
Could you believe that what said the guy is free was just 2,000 naira?
2,000 naira?
Yes, from hands of immigration. I was speechless. I said, this is it. So, if you are really fighting for corruption, not the only people who carry our money, the people where they serve us also. If we know exactly who be who, because small thing, it don't convince them, nothing again.
2,000.
2,000 now they say on and so. And again, there's another thing. All these borders where they leak is from northern part of Nigeria. And they should do something because some of these African brothers, they speak Hausas, and those people there in that border are Hausas. So you don't know who is who. They will convince you that they are from so place in Nigeria here. By the time you know, they don't free them all. So if Nigerians go to wake up, talk say, if he be northern man, he won't be in northern border of Nigeria. I think it will work out. So that's my own contribution. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don't even give us
another
personal
angle,
experience, an example where we say you take your IC. You don't already talk and say with 2,000 naira, Cameroonian when we say you dey part of the story saying take convince our immigration to enter inside this our obodo Nigeria. That one na to open another new angle to am. Maybe the issue of remuneration. Maybe because this immigration people will look and say, okay, oh, they no get money. If this person bring this 2,000, if you collect 2,000 to 5 people.
That is not even a reason to allow anybody enter our country anyhow.
Exactly, no
we get
reason.
Odole. Odole, they call us from Delta. Good morning, Odole. Odole, good morning. Odole, you there?
Oga Odole, you there? We get Friday. Friday, they call us all the way from Plateau State. Oga Friday, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yeah, the story about the border.
Yes.
Yeah, Nigeria border is too wide. If Nigeria border is too wide, if they carry security cover Nigeria border, you see Nigeria can succeed. If they never cover the border, Nigeria cannot succeed. Now, so they take the weapon carry enter this country. Country cannot succeed. If security cover the border, Nigeria can succeed. The border is too wide.
Too wide.
Now, the border
So
is
what
too
did they
wide.
suggest is now Friday say make them fence the borders up. Now what did they try to suggest?
Yes, let them cover the border, the whole Nigeria border. You see, this country can succeed. But the no security can't cover the border. This country cannot succeed.
But she not to say, okay, we don't see, you don't hear a suggestion. Thank you very much for that contribution. But you could, going by what Friday just talked now, say, okay, make them do it, make them fence or make them cover the border.
Fence everybody.
So that down. But then, even with our security people in place, she not to say, it's they play their own role well. So I just say, okay, then check anybody they come in. At least we go do it. We go feel no say yes, so we get some restrictions. We know by anybody you could just feel strolling. Okay, like Ogo Okedo rightly say, where you give example, say, okay, somehow, money change hand, we make them, and they will make that Cameroonian man enter. It's just say, it's not essential they play out. Maybe now one of the reasons why they get massive influx of
Very true. Maybe we take Oga Victor, they call us all the way from Bariga. Oga Victor, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Now, good morning, Aside Hot.
We agree to Oga Victor.
This is where they ground about border where they open anyhow. You don't tell the matter on the now government corruption and be the main thing we do now because our custom officers then they usually collect bribe. 100 naira, all those kind of things to allow me all these smuggling and the smuggling things enter our border.
Victor, you don't get experience of this thing?
I did hear for radio station where people they cross border where they like talk and where and so me I did hear. So if I hear for it, they make it happen for real life. They hear me too.
Would they hear?
Let me say, I don't need to kick eye for all these officials they put for border to somebody's badness for the country. So this one where they cash this container where they see
where arms inside.
I know they don't allow pass now commotion be that one. So I don't need to kick eye for the matter.
Oga Victor. Thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don't raise one very important point when we say we suppose fit work on. Now, if we get porous borders, where we say they're very, very open and people feel enter, and some people feel still get mind, carry things enter from Tinkan Island, where we say na port. Now we say, voila, they may collect Oga Igo. In they call us all the way from Abuja. Oga Igo, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
I greet you, the man with Sabi. Good morning.
Oga Igo.
I
Good
agree
morning.
with the controversial one.
Thank you.
For this our country, no get border. On our way for Lagos, I believe some about agree with me. Because if you want enter, if they cross enter Cotonou, there's no way. Let me give an example. If they go from Cotonou to Togo, say from Cotonou to Togo, you want enter, check their border where they organize now. No matter how big you reach, you go come down from the car, they will clear you to the country. You go reach start say they leave the country. If you leave the country, they will give you card to enter this country. For you to cross from Nigeria to enter Cotonou, it's your car. There's something you're supposed to get, brown card when you get before you cross enter Cotonou. If you go Cameroon, you get brown card. All those West Africa countries. You go ask how many motorways from Nigeria they go Cotonou, from Cotonou to enter Nigeria they get brown card. Our border from Cotonou to Nigeria, just be open. You go just come, you just cross. You go see a rope that they put. You just drop you for ground. You know what pass. If you go from Adamawa to Cameroon, the same thing. Just ordinary ground. You enter. No sign, no system, no checkmate. we dey sleep we dey back. Even they call us giant of Africa, but we still dey back, we dey sleep. In terms of border. If you go some Africa country, you see where like no people patrol go, when you know they put us to go, when they say some people pass, we dey pass mine inside border to checkmate people. They get me. They say if you for your house, once you cross like this, you go indicate for your system say you don't cross border, say you cross illegal place. Our court not get so we still get back.
Okay, thank you very much for this your important contribution. And the two examples where you give us, the example of Benin Republic and also Cameroon. Make we take this call from Oga Hassan. Then they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Hassan, he be like say the network no gree Oga Hassan. Quickly we go rush enter inside market. When we go this market, come back. We'll continue our discussion about the leaky border when they Nigeria and the fact say Nigerian customs when they inside Lagos they seize 40-feet container where we say some kind weapons. They find them inside 2 vehicles when they hide inside. No go anywhere. We they come back now still as it is hot.
Now, no, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.